Hello dear friends, I'm sitting inside the 2025 Jeep Wrangler Willys. As you may know, Willys is a special trim in the lineup of Jeep Wrangler, and in this video I'm going to show you how to update the software of your Jeep Wrangler, whether it's Willys or similar tree, because they're using the same infotainment system. So let's take a look at that together. Okay, so this is the interior and you're seeing my dashboard and the touch screen of the Jeep Wrangler. I'm inside the Willys, like I said, it's 2025 model. It's very easy. Click on apps on your touchpad, on touch screen. From apps, click on system. Okay, so you can see it clearly. System. It may be on phone, it may be on vehicle, but click on system, and here is a very easy navigation, software update. Click on software update and it brings you to this screen where you can see probably, or actually it's scanning the nearby Wi-Fi's, because it needs a Wi-Fi access in order to update the software over the Wi-Fi. So if you already see your Wi-Fi in this screen, it will show you your Wi-Fi. Probably if you are at home, probably your neighbor's Wi-Fi. You can click stop scan and want it stop scanning because you already see your Wi-Fi. Here we go. You see there is a button called refresh and enable software download over the Wi-Fi, but you need to connect to your Wi-Fi using you're seeing the signal strength, and in the setting you have to make sure you connect your phone to the Wi-Fi, and after your phone is connected to your home Wi-Fi or whichever Wi-Fi, if you are at work or somewhere, click refresh with enable software downloads over Wi-Fi, and it will look for software update and it will update the software. Now if I uncheck the box of enable software downloads over Wi-Fi, and you see it says enable software downloads over Wi-Fi to see a list of available networks, unsecured networks are not supported. Now if I try to do it just in a different way without wanting to connect to the Wi-Fi and click refresh, nothing will happen. Okay, you see it's not happening. So you have to use your Wi-Fi in order to do a software update in your Jeep Wrangler, whichever model it is. Like I said, this is the 2025 model. I thought this video may be helpful and I wanted to make it for you friends. Thank you so much. Visit us at torquenews.com for a lot of automotive news and reviews articles. God bless you, and if you like this report, please give it thumbs up and share your comments, and I would greatly appreciate it. Have a wonderful day.